actually, seeing as I have really nothing planned tonight, except to do the what's in your wallet video, which I just did in about 15 pieces. Tomorrow I'm going to stitch that together. I thought I'd just talk bullocks for 2 minutes just to whatever. Oh, what's that? So, anyway, Arco, thanks for texting me in the middle of a recording. It's my fault. The garage thermometer has come back to, I can now take a bath weather. Okay, it's not warm enough I can bathe myself. Yeah, okay. Like I haven't taken a bath lately. What's new on the channel? It's new. Well, as usual, I'm still at it, doing stuff. It's gotten really warm out, which is really cool. I'm going to pop this video up tomorrow, maybe, or this week. Tomorrow, you don't even know what day it is on here. So, yeah. I've been getting ready to do, I've been cleaning up around the bench here. I'm trying to clean it all out so I can get a nice clear edge and just pile shit behind me like I have there. But I have to clean this out because I want to get the mule out and go for a little mule ride, clamp it on the mule and watch my phone fall off in the mud. I'll probably use my GoPro for that. I have an old GoPro. It kind of sucks. Actually, I find it sucks that you can't watch it while you're doing it. So I'll have to, I have a GoPro video of me driving the mule on my YouTube channel already. I took it years ago. I took it the summer I bought it. 2000 and, I don't know, whatever, 11, 10, 9, whatever. Maybe 2011, I think, or 12. Had it before my father died. So yeah, there's not much going on. So I have a TikTok channel. Believe it or not, I'm on TikTok now. I'm mostly posting little short. I'm taking the shorts from YouTube and popping them on there and just using as advertising. I haven't done a full video for TikTok. So if you go on TikTok, it's Gonna Walk Utah. Instagram, Gonna Walk Utah. YouTube, Gonna Walk Utah's Garage. Arco again. Same message, bleeps twice. Anybody out there have a phone this big these days? I got a little itty bitty one. So yeah, did that show up? I have to put it on blur, I guess. So yeah. Anyway, that should be it. Just chugging along, having fun, making wacky videos, which is awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. Oh, don't forget to smash all the buttons. What is that thing where they hit the hammer? Pretend you got a hammer and just start hitting all the buttons. Don't do it on your screen, it might break it. Have a good one.